So the first thing you are going to do when you open the Blackboard site is to log in and then log in. When you log into your Blackboard, you are going to see your name on top. Here, the name you can find. This is the name. If for any instance you want to change your password, go here, personal information. Again, you want to change your password. Go to personal information, and from here you will find change password. Click. Here you must enter the password that you used to log in or your current password. Now you are about to enter the new password that you want. Again, okay, so now you have entered the new password. After being sure of that, click submit. Done. So your password should have now changed. Now let's go back to our courses. So courses can be found in My Institution. So you have to click My Institution, and here you are going to find the courses you have for this semester. Now here we got computer application, and here you have English communication. These two are for English. And then you have occupational health and safety, and then you have technical drawing, and then you have workshop practices. These are all the courses available under your name. In the meantime, never mind other courses. We will concentrate on the workshop practices. So I go to this course, workshop practices, and from here, this is what I found. Okay, first things first, before doing anything with assignment, you have to check first announcement. Now announcement is important because this is where you will find message from your teacher. So go to announcement first. This is number 1. Once you are done reading the announcements, you are now ready to take on the assignments as instructed here in the announcement. So where's the assignment? Okay, you can search, go to home. Okay, you can search there also. In the home, you can find nothing. Okay, the home doesn't have the assignment. If it's not there, then you have to go to course content. Course contents. Okay. Assignment starts here. Sheet metal report. Click this one. Measurement reading. This is an assignment. And here you will find some information about the assignment. That this assignment must be submitted on the 21st of April, and it has an equivalent of 35 marks. Again, for any assignment, you will find some files there that you have to download. 5 files that you have to download. Let's start with the first one. Exercise Vernier resolution. How to download these files? Very simple. Select the file, exercise, click, and what will happen is that you will see here that the file is already downloaded. Click here to open. Click on it and you will see something like this. Now this is the first file that you downloaded out of this assignment, and here the teacher is trying to tell you to write something here, your name first. How can you do that? Because once you download a file, it will say this file is read only. Now, because the file is read only, you cannot write anything here. So that you will able to write anything, you have to click enable editing. Okay? Enable editing. Click this. And now this is the first file you downloaded, and you click enable editing so that you could write your name as what your teacher wants you to do. So write your name here, Sultan. Okay, Al-Katan. And of course your ID. Okay. Okay. Now here a teacher wants you to write some answers out of this picture. Okay, so please write an answer here, any answer. Okay, I don't know the answer, but let's just have some example here. Okay, here. Okay, here 0 point. Okay, we are now trying to answer. Okay. Okay. So here. Okay. Kalas. Finish. This is the first file that you downloaded. Now, once you're finished answering, you have to save this file. Okay, again, it is important that when you finish answering, you have to save this, because the one you downloaded doesn't have answers, MAPI answer. Okay, now you put some answers on this file. Now save. How? File, and then save as. Again, Kalas, finish, file, save as. Okay, now the best place to save assignments, it should be on the desktop. So select desktop right here. Okay, and you're gonna name it as exercise Vernier resolution. Okay, you can have the same name, I believe. Same name, no change. Okay, save. Kalas. This one is finished. After you finish save, you can now close the file. Close. Let us check. How to check if the file is saved. Okay, this one you can adjust the window like that. Okay, and there you go. This is the first file that you downloaded and the first one that you finished. Okay, it's right there on the desktop. Okay, okay, there you go. Now, I finished working on these 5 files. Okay, now it's time to submit. Those assignments, these 5 files that you have finished, they are all here in the desktop. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pada 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one, put it here. Okay? It must be inside the box. Okay, that is the first file. And then, when you do this one, you can see that you have 1 file submitted. It's right here, the first one, the exercise vernier. Go to the next one because there are 5 of these files which are in the desktop, by the way, and select it. This is the second one. Okay, put it in the box. Okay, it must be inside the box. Okay, now you can find here. Okay, this one, this is the second one. Third one, select it and again put it inside the box or drag and drop it inside the box. It must be inside the box, and you will notice that the box will change color, which means that you are trying to put something inside it. Okay, so now you can find there are so far 3, and then you go to the next one, select it and go here. Aywa. So you got 4. The last one is this one, so drag and drop. Done. So this is now the assignments or the files that you are going to submit. Okay, they are all here. Now, the last step in this assignment, after you have put them all here in the box, is to submit. Submit. Okay, click submit. Aywa. So you have to wait, and you will notice that it's now processing the submission. Now, once you're finished with the submission of your assignment, you will find this screen. It says success. Your submission appears on this page. Okay. Now, from here, you can see those files that you submitted. There are 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will be shown here. See? Okay. Finish. Just click okay. So now we're finished with the assignments for measurement reading.